India on Monday recorded 68,020 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 1,20,39,644 according to data from the Union Health Ministry. With 291 deaths in the last 24 hours, the overall death toll touched 1,61,843. There are 5,21,808 active coronavirus cases in the country, while as many as 1,13,55,993 people have recovered from the disease. Myanmar returned to the streets yesterday to press their demands for the return to democracy, just a day after security forces killed more than 100 people in the bloodiest day since last month's military coup. Protests were held in Yangon and Mandalay, the country's two biggest cities, as well as elsewhere, a media report said. Some of the demonstrations were again met with police force. At least 114 people were killed Saturday as security forces cracked down on protests against the February 1 coup that ousted Aung San Suu Kyi elected government, according to the online news service Myanmar Now. One of the popular sports journalists of Assam, PURBAJYOTI CHUTIA, was found dead under mysterious circumstances on Monday morning. He was a resident of Jewali Path in the Hattigao area of Guwahati. The blood-stained body of Chutia was recovered in front of his house, but Hattigao police said there was no mark of attacking by any weapon on his body. His body was noticed around 7 a.m. on Monday. Family members said Chutia remained missing since Sunday midnight after he went out to switch on the water pump on the ground floor. But in the morning, his body was found in the drain of the house, Chutia's family said. 20th Assam Rifles Technopole Battalion and 165 Infantry Battalion Territorial Army HNH Assam Kongkhang jointly organized a free medical camp yesterday at Kongkhang village in Technopole district. 3 doctors were present at the medical camp, which also included health awareness. Around 300 locals were treated at the free medical camp. Global Money Week 2021, organized jointly by Security and Exchange Board of India and OECD International Network on Financial Education INFE, concluded yesterday at English School Kumbi. The campaign, a part of global awareness raising campaign, began from March 22. Lairinjam Maijrao Gram Panchayat Pradhan Tongbram Manglimba inaugurated 2 all-age parks at Govindagram and Lairinjam Club building yesterday. Kodampokpi Jilla Parishad member L. Premo, Lairinjam Maijrao Gram Panchayat Upar Pradhan S. Mema and ward member attended the function. The newly constructed old-age park and club building were built under the funding of government. Even as the state government issued new guidelines prohibiting mass gatherings during the Holi festival amid resurgence of coronavirus cases, thousands converged at the Banke Bihari temple in Uttar Pradesh's Vrindavan to celebrate the festival. In a video tweeted by news agency ANI, thousands of devotees without face masks were seen thronging the famous Mathura temple while tossing colors in the air. Hafazat militants on Sunday set the Central Public Library in Bangladesh's Brahmabaria district on fire, protesting the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The incident took place during a dawn-to-dusk nationwide strike. The strike by Hafazat-e-Islam is underway in Dhaka, Norsingdi, Narayanganj, Brahmanbaria, Chittagong, Sylhet, Rajshahi and other districts. No long route buses were plying on the roads, but the movement of rickshaws and auto rickshaws was normal.